as you all know by now, Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson has been cast as Black Adam. He's been very vocal about wanting to play the character for a while now, and was previously rumored to play Green Lantern John Stewart and Bounty Hunter Lobo, but obviously those rumors can be set to rest since he announced this past Wednesday on his Twitter account he will be playing Black Adam. As for what I think about The Rock playing Black Adam, I'm kind of in the middle. On one hand, he's huge like the Black Adam is supposed to be, so he'll definitely catch the essence of the character. He also can be very intimidating, mostly because of his sheer size. On the other hand, however, I'm just scared that all I'm gonna see is The Rock. You know how there's those actors who no matter who they play, you just can't help but see the actor and not the character they're playing? Well, I'm scared that's what might happen with him playing Black Adam. Now, clearly that just may be a personal thing, but that's my opinion, so that's why I'm telling you. In saying that, I'm actually really curious to see how The Rock will do in this role. We all know he's gonna look the part, but will he be able to pull off Black Adam's character as a whole? Only time will tell. So like I said, I'm neutral on the matter. I'm not like, oh man, that's a terrible pick, but I'm also not like, that's the best pick ever. He could be great or he could be not so great. We will just have to wait to see him in the movie. What I'm really curious to see is who they're gonna cast as Shazam. Finding an actor who can stand toe-to-toe with The Rock and be a good actor at the same time is gonna be a pretty challenging task, I think. I also wanna see who they're gonna cast as Billy Batson. What I do know for a fact is I'm extremely happy we will get to see Shazam and Black Adam on the big screen. I'm a big Shazam fan, so I'm really happy about that. I mean, can you imagine how cool the fight scenes are gonna be with the two of them? Yes to that.